By the end of this video, your English will sound much more natural and fluent. I am Muna, and on this channel, we learn English in a simple, practical, and fun way. If you want to improve your English speaking, vocabulary, grammar, and boost confidence, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Now, let's jump into the mistakes. Our first mistake here is I am agree. Well, the correction is I agree. Well, agree is a verb, not an adjective. So you don't need am in between. So instead of saying, I am agree with you, you should say, I agree with you. Our second mistake is she go to work every day. Well, that should be corrected to she goes to work every day. In the present simple, we should add an S or ES with he or she or it. Our third mistake is he didn't went. That's absolutely incorrect because it should be he didn't go. Well, after didn't, the verb should return to the base form. Going to mistake number 4, I have 25 years old. When you're speaking about your age, you do not have it. So it should be I am 25 years old. So in English, we use the verb to be to talk about your age, not verb to have. Mistake number 5 is open the light. This is absolutely wrong. We have to say instead, turn on the light. For electrical devices, we should use turn on or turn off, not open the light or close the light. Well, how about mistake number 6? I am boring. Of course, you're not boring, dear, but instead we should say, I am bored. Well, boring describes a thing, but when you describe your feeling, you should say, I am bored. Mistake number 7, people is friendly here. Well, people is plural, so we should say, people are friendly here. People is plural, so don't ever treat it as a singular noun. Mistake number 8, I will call you when I will arrive. That is wrong. Instead of saying that, we should shift to I will call you when I arrive. So after when, we have to use the present simple, even when you mean the future. Now, mistake number 9, discuss about the problem. We don't discuss about, but we discuss the problem right away. So discuss here doesn't need about. Now, the last mistake is more easier, and the correction should be easier. Don't use more with short comparative adjectives like easier, faster, or bigger. These were the 10 common mistakes that you should stop making today. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching English Unlocked, and I'll see you again in the next video.